In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to redeem codes in Archero 2. This is a quick and easy process, but there are a few steps you need to follow to get it right. Let's get started with the first step. The first thing you're going to need is your user ID. To get that, open up the game and look for the settings button, which is located in the top left corner of the screen. Once you press on the settings icon, you should see an option called Get User ID. Click on that, and it will display your account's unique ID. Once it's shown, you can tap on the copy button and it will be saved to your clipboard, ready to use. Now that you have your user ID, it's time to move to the next step, redeeming the code. You'll need a browser for this, so open up your browser choice. Go ahead and search for official Archero 2 redeem code. The link you're looking for should be from the official website, so make sure the URL is h5.ar.abby.com. This is the official site for redeeming codes in Archero 2. Once you're on the website, you'll see a field where you need to enter your user ID, which you copied earlier. Paste your user ID into the appropriate field. Then, in the next field, enter the reward code that you want to redeem. Make sure you have a valid code, because expired ones won't work. After that, you'll need to complete a quick verification step to confirm you're not a robot. You'll typically see a number next to the verification box. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and click on the Redeem button. Now, all you have to do is head back to the Archero 2 game, and you should find your rewards waiting for you in your mailbox within the game.